Hello everyone. With this diagram, we'll try to learn how hypothalamus will regulate the body temperature. The regulating centers are usually the anterior hypothalamus and posterior hypothalamus. Anterior hypothalamus is also called as heat loss center, whereas posterior hypothalamus is called as heat gain center, because the heat loss center stimulates mainly the parasympathetic activity, whereas the heat gain center stimulates the sympathetic activity. So we'll draw another diagram, similar diagram of hypothalamus, the anterior and posterior hypothalamus, and this is the heat loss center and this is heat gain center. So whenever there is an increase in the body temperature, that will be detected by the blood vessels, or the skin temperature is detected by the receptors over the skin. It goes to the afferents, and the blood vessel temperature is detected by the thermoreceptors which are present in the anterior hypothalamus, so which is going to stimulate the heat loss center, which in turn stimulate the parasympathetic activity, which is going to lead to the vasodilatation and leads to sweating. So that decreases the body temperature. At the same time, this is going to inhibit the posterior hypothalamus, so that there is no sympathetic activity. When body temperature decreases, so which occurs because of the decrease in the body metabolism, or when body is exposed to the skin temperature, which are brought by the afferents, and the body temperature, the vessel temperature, the blood temperature is detected by the receptors, it is going to inhibit the heat loss center, which is going to lead to the inhibition of the parasympathetic activity, so that there is no vasodilatation or sweating. So at the same time, the inhibition over the heat gain center is lost, so it is going to lead to the excitation of the sympathetic activity, which is going to lead to vasoconstriction, which conserves the energy, and it is also going to increase metabolism, which compensate for the decrease in the body temperature.